This video is just a quick hitter on the notification settings. So when you close a production BOM and routing, if you're being warned that it's not certified and you find that redundant, this would just be how to turn it off. So here we are inside of Business Central. Let's go ahead and just open up our routings. So we've got this one here. It's under development. I can open this up. There are times in production where maybe you're making an engineering change to a routing or a bill of material, or you're designing something and it makes perfect sense not to have every single BOM or every single routing certified. So when you close the page, getting this extra warning, sometimes you just find that redundant, or maybe you're seasoned and you've used it for a while, so you just find that that's not helpful. This is just an extra click. It's something that you want to be in control of. So I can go ahead and say yes and exit the page, and it's still under development, and that's all great, but again, we've got that extra click. So if I wanted to turn it off, I'd go to my settings, and here I can change when I receive notifications. So here we can see that there's a few things along the way that if it's enabled, that means I will get warned, and that's turned on. But there are some things where I've got fact boxes in this case, and maybe it's not something I found useful, so I disabled it. It's not checked. If I look at the, BOM, so warn about non-certified production BOMs and routings, I have this turned on, which is why I'm getting that message. So if I were to just turn that off, I'm back in my routings. I didn't have to restart or refresh or anything like that, but now I can click here. I could make any changes that I want, even if I hadn't made any changes. Now, when I close that page, I'm not getting that notification that's warning me that it's not certified. So again, I'm in control. I'm reducing my mouse clicks. And one of the things I really like about Microsoft is that it's always looking for ways to make things simpler and smoother in my flow using the software. Make sure to follow our channel or click for more videos. We do feature videos along the ways that just help the user experience. Would love for you to follow us along.